beautiful paracord bracelet. Fast, simple and easy to make. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use the black Paracord 550 and the gold Paracord also 550. And before we start, if you'll learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, I'm wearing today the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, let's start. First we're going to create the bracelet core. We're gonna take our black paracord and pull it by the ends all the way to the middle, and here we have the center of our strand. Now we're gonna take this bite and we're gonna pull it from the back through the buckle. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So from the back through the buckle, and then pull it all the way to the other side of buckle, approximately here. And now on this end we're gonna create the double scout hitches to lock our cord on this side of a buckle. So we're gonna take the right strand, make it on top of the bracelet core strand, and then from the back side we're gonna pull it through the buckle like so, and then through this loop we created with our strand. Tie it up, cinch it, and do the same on the left side. So place the left strand on top of the bracelet core like so, then make room to pass the strand from the back through the buckle, and once more through the loop. Now pull it to make it tight. And we're gonna create on this end of a buckle again once more the double scout hitch. So take the end of a cord, pull it from the top through the buckle, then from the back through this bite, tie it up like so, and then with this end make it around and from the back through the buckle, and through this loop here. So now when we created our 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, we're gonna start with our project. We're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna place it on top of the core strands, between the working end and the core strand on top side, like so. And from here we're gonna start. We're gonna take our left strand cord, place it on top of the core strands, and then to the side. Now with the right strand cord, we're gonna place it on top of the left strand, under the core strands, and then from the back through the loop on the left side, and we're gonna pull it. Now we're gonna take the gold, pass it under this knot here, like this, and we're gonna return it into the loop where we started with the gold paracord. So through the loop here, and now we're gonna lock our cobra weave or a Solomon knot. Now we're going to take the left strand cord, the right strand cord, place it on top of the core strands, and then with the left one on top of the right strand, under the core strands and through the loop on the right. Now we're going to take our gold, make it under this knot here, and then around and from the top through the loop here on the right side. Now tie it again, the cobra knot or salmon weave as you wish, and now we're gonna tie it our gold paracord, and we're gonna proceed with our project. As simple as this. So left strand on top of the core strands and to the side, right strand on top of the left one, under the core strands and from the back through the loop on the left. Now with the gold paracord under this knot here, and then on top and from the top through the loop on the left. Tied up the cobra knot, tied the gold paracord, and proceed. So here we are, we reached the end of our today's project, almost the end. Now we're gonna tie it one more cobra knot or salmon weave to secure and finish our paracord bracelet. So the left strand on top of the core strands, the right strand on top of the left one, around and from the back through the loop on the left side. Pull it well, tie it, secure it. And now we're gonna cut off the X cord, melt it down. So here we are, we finished our project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this or any other Paracord project, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. So as always, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!